So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up charging speed of your iPhone. Now, in order to do it, all we're gonna do will create an automation that once your Wi-Fi is once your charger is connected, all your battery consuming things like your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be disconnected. Now, in order to do it, simply in the app library, search shortcut. Open the shortcut application. Click on this option of automation on the below of the screen. Hit add on the top right corner. Once you do that, here simply search charger and hit is connected to and hit run immediately and hit next. And from here, click on this option of new blank automation. Here simply search all these Wi-Fi, set Wi-Fi to off, then search mobile data, set it to off, and then search Bluetooth and set it to off. Now once you do that and hit done, your automation have been started. Now once you connect it to the Wi-Fi, all your once you're connected to the charger, all these things will be turned off and your iPhone will be charged very quickly. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.